Hi guys, welcome back to my search for freedom. Today it's been a while since I've done a video for the channel. I woke up this morning, was very busy writing. If you can see on that table there, I was writing, and then I decided to do a video. But remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment our videos. So today, there's not much sun. It's very cloudy. I'm going to show you soon. I decided to show you, last time I remember I was showing you the small garden I started in the yard here. And I planted some black beans. I planted some pigeon peas. They call it pois Congo in Creole, pois Congo. I planted some pumpkin. The pumpkin that I planted is a pumpkin is seed that I bought from Canada. I remember when I was in Canada last summer, June, July, I decided to buy um, this kind of Halloween pumpkin. I said, you know what? I've never seen that in Africa, so I'm going to try that when I go to Africa. So I planted that one, that kind of pumpkin, and I'm going to show you there's a kind of disease. I found out, I don't know what happened with this plant, but they started to, actually it started to produce. I saw several small pumpkins coming, but there was one of them that was attacked by like a bug. I don't know what kind of bug was it. And I'm going to show you, for those of you maybe who planted before some kind of, let me close the door because there's a wind coming. I don't want the door to be. So I, I, I saw this thing. I don't know, for those of you who are farmers who like gardening, if you see that when I show it to you, you will tell me maybe what to do, because I would like to find what happened. But I also did my research on the internet. I think Chat GPT. I check. They told me that it's a kind of a fungus. But I'm wondering also if it's because of my dog. I'm going to show you. I don't know if it's the dogs who did pee on it, on the roots. That's why maybe it's happening like this. So I remember showing you, actually, when I showed you those pigeon peas, they were very small. Now they are growing a lot. You remember I told you about this kind of fence that I made with those bricks. This is the same bricks that they use to make this parking here, the yard. As you can see, this is the same kind, but there were some extra bricks left, and we used them to fence the garden because of the dogs. The dogs uh, really, they like to play here. If I go inside, I will go inside the here. I will just use that route because if we go here, for example, you see what is going on here. You see the color of the pumpkin leaves. It's a disease. They say it's a kind of fungus. The internet said that we can treat it with soap. We can treat it with soap and baking soda. But what I will try to do, maybe I will show you when I'm going to do it later. I will try to remove all those leaves that are sick with the fungus. Even here, if you can see the beans that I planted. Now, I don't know, I planted, they started to produce. You see the black beans now. Yeah, this is the black beans I planted. I bought these black beans when I was in Canada last summer also. This is the root of the pumpkin. But I'm wondering, the dogs sometimes they come here and play, even if we have the fence, but they still come jump in here to play here. I don't know. I will see uh, if I use the treatment that ChatGPT proposed, if there will be a solution. I also plant some sugarcane here. They started coming up, but I noticed that they are not much progress. I don't know if there's something in that soil that prevent the things to grow well and better. But anyway, the bananas are doing well. If you remember, I told you that we lost one banana tree because of the wind. But right now, I can harvest also those beans. I have some beans here that I can harvest, and but as you can see here, we have a banana. We have a banana. This is the plantain. That's a very nice banana fruits, I would say, coming. I hope by July we can harvest this one. So I'm going to show you something else. There is this box. If you remember, I showed it to you last time. The last time we had a video, it was 1 month past. I planted here some beetroots. I also planted kale, and I also planted carrots. The carrots, I noticed that they are not doing very well here. I don't know, because of that soil. I used the soil. Somebody told me that, you know what? Oh, it started raining now. I asked for the rain to come. It's coming. The rain is coming. The rain is coming. I like that. Even if they say that it is the dry season that started. We are in June, but the rain, today is June, I think it's June 4th. But the rain is coming, little rain, but I hope it will be more soon. See the sky? You see the sky, how it's, the clouds are gathering for a good rain, maybe. I smell the soil, it's the rain is coming. So I will talk to you more about that box, because this box, we put the soil that we got from the canal here. But this soil seems not to be very good for this kind of seeds that I put in it. Maybe next time we'll try probably beans or other things. I see now that I will show you also my thymes. They are not bad. The last time I showed them to you, they were very small. They were very small, but now they are getting better. I see there's a bean seed that is growing here, but I leave it there because you don't play too much with nature like that. I don't want to pull it. It's not weed. Like for example, I remember I planted I planted, how many seeds maybe I planted? The rain started now. So I planted maybe 12 seed of black beans, 12 seeds of black beans. In only two of these, we already have more, we already have about 12. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, but this one is not good. Almost, but I don't even plant, I don't even harvest them yet. There are plenty of beans plant there that need to be harvested. I'm gonna let them dry because then when they finish drying up, I will harvest them and maybe show you from 12 uh, bean seeds, black bean seeds, how many beans that I get. I get probably, from the plants there, I've seen a lot of pods. So you imagine that when I harvest those pods, how many seeds that I will find. So anyway, I planted them not to eat. I planted them as, to make more seeds. When we have more seeds, because we don't have those black beans here, I don't see them very often in Rwanda, black beans. So that's why when I bought them from Canada, I wanted to bring them to plant it, but I ate some of it. So therefore, the little beans that I have left, I did plant some for seeds only. After this season, when the next rainy season, I don't think I'm gonna wait until the rainy season come to plant them because I can plant them in that box. The one that I harvest there, I will plant them in that box because I don't think the carrots or the beets will do well in that. So therefore, I will try to plant beans in it and see if it will give me more seeds. Once I get more seeds, I will plant them on another field, a bigger field, so to harvest more black beans. So today I wanted to show you the disease of my pumpkin, the fungus thing. If you are a gardener, you know about it, please comment, please, or contact me, give me more advice how to solve this issue. So maybe later on or tomorrow in another video, I will probably show you how I will cut or maybe how I will do the treatment because I get some advice also on the internet about how to solve this issue. They call it some kind of fungus. So I will also show you when I harvest those beans and plant them in the box here to see the result. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care and continue to subscribe. Those of you who are not subscribed, who just get to know this channel for the first time, or I don't know, if you watch the videos, you're not subscribed, that means you are not going to receive the notification. So also when you subscribe, you need to click the notification bell to receive all the videos. Take care, see you next time, and enjoy your day. Bye.